Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today I have some Daily Planet news, and that's straight from Metropolis, straight from Superman himself, bringing it from Kuwait. This box came from my dear friend Kristen over at APO Creations. And oh my goodness, what a heart she has. She knows I love the Wizard of Oz. And when she showed this a few weeks ago, she said she'd send it to me. And wow, did she ever deliver. Just look at this. Instead of bubble wrap or foam peanuts, she used shredded paper to protect everything. How awesome is that? What an eco-friendly way to ship, Kristen. Huge kudos to you for helping save waste and protect the environment. Now look at this. This goes straight on my refrigerator. I love it. Now let's look at this tumbler. And isn't this stunning? I'll leave the link above so you can see this being created. How beautiful. Okay, so I have made some amazing people on this journey. And I'm going to show you this little by little. Let's go around. Let's see how beautiful this is. I did change my shirt and I put my Wizard of Oz shirt on. I just had to. And I'm hoping I gotta get behind here. That's the way. That's the way we get a clear picture of what we want to show as we hide our face. If you hide your face behind, you will get a clear picture of what you want to show. Figured that out finally. So how beautiful is that? It's not where you go, but who you meet along the way. What a perfect message. And it couldn't be truer. It's all about the people we meet, the friendships we form, and the creative bonds we share. Kristen, thank you so much for your generous heart. And look at these extra straws. And that extra glitter. Boy, you know me all too well. Well, through Kristen, I found Laura's Art Corner. And she has been such a joy to work with. I've linked both Kristen's discount code and Laura's shop, both above and down below. If you're looking for Aquacast, you don't have to order from the UK anymore. If you're in the US, you can order straight from Laura's Art Corner. It is easy as pie. And Laura, I want to thank you for that extra little heart that you added, that little extra something. I really appreciate it. So here's that discount code from APO Creations. She's an affiliate, and I'll also link it down below. And I think it's laurasartcorner.net if you're looking to go visit. Now, I'm going to show you a quick little pour that I'm going to do with this Aquacast because I just could not wait. I had to do it right away. So, here we go. This is a water-based casting material and it is black. So my word of advice is keep those gloves on, my friends. Otherwise, you'll be scrubbing under your nails for weeks. I'm keeping this simple today. We'll do something small, and it is going to be amazing. Once this is set, I'm going to add a touch of elegance with some IOD gold transfers from last year's Merry and Bright collection. And then I'll edge it with a gold pen. And finish with a little wax that'll seal everything in with a gorgeous soft sheen. Don't forget, wash those molds right after with warm soapy water to avoid transferring any of that black pigment to your next project. You are going to be amazed. Simple, striking, and full of heart. Just like the friends who helped make this happen. Kristen, I'd like to thank you for introducing me to Laura, because I couldn't be happier with this piece. I have been wanting to try this black Aquacast for the longest time, and because of you, you brought this to me. I really appreciate that. You have no idea. It's amazing how creativity connects us from all corners of the world. So today's takeaway, whether you're pouring resin, casting Aquacast, or just spreading kindness, remember, it's not about where you go, it's about who you meet along the way. To Kristen at APO Creations, I thank you from the bottom of my heart for sending me that beautiful tumbler and sending me the gift of Laura. And to you, my viewers, my subscribers, and my cherished members, thank you for your continued support, your love, and for being here with me. I truly appreciate it. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button or join our $1 membership. Become part of our inner circle. It's only $1. Actually, it's only 99 cents. It's $1 and a dream. Your support helps keep this channel growing and keeps the creativity flowing. Please remember to support each other. Take a look at your neighbor and say hello. Make a new friend today. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off today with love, light, peace, harmony, and oneness. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. See you Sunday. Bye-bye now.